Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your keyboard color on HP Victus laptop. So go to the keyboard and find this little button and click on this button, and basically that will open your OMEN Gaming Hub where you will be able to adjust your light color on the keyboard. And if you go to the lightning, as you can see right here, so first of all, navigate through the menu, go to the Victus laptop lightning, and right here at the lightning you'll see the mode. So here's the only one mode, the static, and here you can change the colors, or if you go to the advanced you can change the hue and intensity. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if I want to change just to the red, I will select the red, and here you will see that now it shines the red color. So that's how you change the lightning. If this video was being helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.